Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, welcome to the week with me, Comrade Fatso, where we give you the news faster than it takes the president to tuck into some foreign-funded, import-busting Lay's chips. It's been a crazy week, where Zimbabwe lost to Afghanistan in cricket, Grace is still fighting about her $1 million diamond ring, and Zinara is asking for a loan to fix their roads. So what are the toll gates for? Are they just tuck shops on the road? But first, roadblocks. Yes, 2017 will be known as the year of the roadblock, because in Zimbabwe we live in a country where airtime vendors are directing traffic at broken down robots while police are waiting behind corners to jump out at motorists. WTF.
Muchiti murukwende B, yeah? Tono ma fire extinguisher. SR2. Ane ma reflector. Sister, mnakana seat belt. Ha, zvakabhadhara. Notenga kukamba kai.
I mean, in Zimbabwe, you literally have a roadblock every 500 meters. Roadblocks have now become so permanent in Zim that people are now using them to give directions. Saka, you turn right after the Simon Mazorodze roadblock, then you carry on past the next 3 roadblocks, not counting the one with the police ahead sign, then you turn right. But if you've gone past 5 roadblocks, you've gone too far. Saka, but make sure you reverse with caution, because you know these cops, they've got this brand new VW. Saka, hey, yeah. We even hear that certain roadblocks are now so permanent they're even featured on Google Maps. And while our roads fall apart, our police keep coming up with new ways to make us pay. You don't have a reflector jacket. You don't have a triangle. Now you need 2 fire extinguishers. And is your fire extinguisher wearing a seatbelt? Now the police have got some new ones, fresh for 2017. No biscuit policy. Your spare tire needs to be a certain size. And you don't have these little car stickers on the back of your car. And my favorite one, what about your tire pressure? So what? Are our police now petrol attendants there to check your tire pressure? And then they want you to pay a sport fine. Come on, be a good sport. And if you want to do a quick getaway, they put spikes in front of your tires. Watch out. ZANU-PF. Comrades, have you not realized there's a small cash crisis and the little cash that we have needs to be spent on, I don't know, bread, school fees? Here's a word of advice. We're not supposed to pay you. No, the government is supposed to pay you from our taxes. Saka, talk to them. Here's the phone number for your paymaster, Patrick Chinamasa. Give him a call. Ask him where the money's at. Or even, better yet, comrades, go on strike. Join your civil servant colleagues.
I was fined for not having a life vest under my car seat, for my car horn being at an incorrect pitch, and failure to navigate an oncoming pothole.
Harare City Council has this week been sending around debt collectors to chase poor people to pay up unpaid council bills. And what about the rich and the government ministries who owe the council millions of dollars? No, them they are fine. It's okay. Don't worry about them. Just impound the furniture of the poor. I mean, not the chefs. Let the chefs have free water. We believe that Air Zimbabwe COO Simba Chukore watched last week's episode of the week and wanted to show us actually that Air Zim was firing. So he put 3 friends on a big Air Zimbabwe flight to Jozi. Hey, comrades, we're now breaking records. Takaipa. Simba, you do realize that a medium-sized combi written Blajedza on the back currently carries more passengers to Jozi than you. There's a civil servants march next Monday and social movements are joining too. So get involved and show your solidarity, comrades. Are you angry with the f***ed up situation in Zim? Then check out the Tea Party with my boy Begotten Son talking lots of ungovernable shit on Facebook. Yeah, it's water time here. Drink some water. Yeah, what's up? C10, I see you. Yeah. Rumbi, what's up? What's good? Yo, these, these stars and these fucking millennial and twimbos and them, man. ZANU-PF boys, bunch of douche tards. Shit. You guys watching my shit. You. Good water. Thanks for joining us on the week. Follow Magamba TV on social media. I've been Comrade Fatso. This has been the week. You have been the people. Thank you. Pay me a sport fine and foot set.